Still waiting for this thing to heal. Not the easiest, it's probably not the safest thing to try and cut plywood one-handed. Today's video, we're going to discuss 3 woodworking items that sell. You see the same videos I see. 5 ways to make money woodworking. So let's discuss how we make money in woodworking. Making money in woodworking is difficult. Making a living doing woodworking is really difficult. My goal is just to cover costs for my hobby. So let's put all these theories to the test. I'm going to make 4 different items, put them on Etsy. I'm going to promote them like everyone says to do, and we'll see how they sell. But let's see what we're going to build first. First thing I did was my marketing research, what consisted of the marketing director, my daughters, my daughter-in-law, and some friends who'd like to buy stuff. Now here's a very Lake Havasu oriented door emblem, I guess you would call them, and supposedly these sell really well on Etsy. Even though the name is engraved partially on the door emblem, we're going to cut some letters out of solid 1/4 inch walnut. First thing we do is put a little chamfer, and then we cut it out. Here we're making another door wreath. It's more of a seasonal item. This is why the CNC is so good. You can do one thing while the CNC is doing the other thing. It's like 2 people in one shop. Or 1.5 people in my case. Hey look, this looks like a big giant W. Again, we multitask and we can paint the lake blue while the CNC is doing its thing. And this one's done. Oh, it is a W. Did I say door emblem? They're called door wreaths. Not only is it seasonal, but it's also a holiday occasion. Look like we're making a couple of arrowheads. Oh, looks like another W. It's not a woodworking project until you get to sand. Gotta take the fuzz off that's left behind the bit. Glued the letters on the Lake Havasu door wreath so you could see whose name it actually was. And then put some nice orange paint on the pumpkin. Now I end up getting a bunch of orders and I set up a finishing process, which involved much higher quality finish than just using spray cans. Did I say 4? I meant 3. Here's one. This is supposed to be a fall theme. And I can put whatever letter in here that I need. Number 2, I guess this is a fall theme also, but it's more Halloween. Again, any letter you want. Finally, number 3, a Lake Havasu theme. Just like the other ones, instead of initial, I can put a name. Cut out some individual letters out of walnut, glue them on, gives it a little depth. Now, I'm gonna put it on Etsy, gonna put it on Instagram, going to put it on Pinterest, and we'll just see how many of these I can sell. So let's fast forward 2 weeks. Don't need this anymore. So I ended up actually having 11 sales. Now it's been 6 days since I posted all this on Etsy. I posted it on Facebook and Instagram, and all the sales I made were through friends and family who just contacted me directly. I actually pay for ads on Etsy, and I'm spending about $5 a day. Right now I'm advertising this pumpkin, and I've got 7,526 views, 19 clicks, 0 sales. And I also advertise this. I've got 7,637 views, 19 clicks. 0 sales. I don't blame Etsy for that because it looks like I'm getting plenty of views. It could be the quality of my thumbnails don't represent my product well enough, or my price point just isn't good. I know some of the sites advertise their products cheap, but when you actually get to their site and click on the size that you want, you're not paying the same price they advertised. So I think I need to change my marketing strategy. I'm finding if I drive stuff off of Instagram and Facebook, I do much better. Just my opinion. Gonna give Etsy a little more time though. So if you thought this was interesting, leave a comment below how you think you need to market your products. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, watch those videos. See you real soon.